Find the equation of the asymptote. This one's a little hairier than what we had before, but it's still third degree over second degree, so the numerator is one higher than the denominator, so yes, this should have an oblique asymptote. They just say the asymptote, so I assume they mean the oblique. This would not have any horizontals. It may have verticals depending how it factors, but I'm just going to go after the slope for now. So, long division. You cannot see an oblique asymptote, or, well, I certainly can't. Just looking at this, you need to get the long division form. So, 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. Always make sure when you're setting up long division that these are in descending order and that no power is missed. If you have an expression that, for example, doesn't have an x squared term, you have to write in plus 0x squared, or else the long division will get severely messed up and you will not enjoy it. So make sure your powers go 3, 2, 1, 0. And the same thing with the divisor, of course. So x squared goes into 4x cubed, 4x times. Multiply, 4x times x squared gives this. 4x times negative x gives negative 4x squared. Subtract, those terms drop out as intended. Negative 2 minus negative 4 comes out to positive 2x squared. Bring down another term, start again. X squared goes into 2x squared twice. 2 times x squared, 2 times negative x. Subtract, those go away. 3x minus negative 2x gives us 5x plus 5. And we can't go any further because x squared won't go into 5x plus 5. So that's our finished form. F of x, in addition to being this is still true, but we're going to interpret it as 4x plus 2 plus the remainder 5x plus 5 over x squared minus x. This is the remainder, meaning the part that remained to be divided, but we weren't able to do it, so we just have to write it as, like, the division is still pending. Like we're saying, one of these days we're going to have to divide this by x squared minus x. I just don't know how we're going to manage it. So there's our improved f of x, and when x goes to infinity, when x gets super big, x squared minus x becomes super big. This entire term, which is divided by that, becomes super small. We say it vanishes. And so f of x will behave like 4x plus 2. That's your oblique or slant asymptote.